When installing landscape fabric, first choose the fabric that will work best for your specific project. If you're not sure which one to choose, head to jobscompany.com. First, remove any debris or existing weeds from the bed area. Then, if you want to add fertilizer, soil amendments, or weed preventers, apply those according to package instructions and thoroughly work them into the soil before laying your landscape fabric. Once you've done that, use a rake to smooth the soil and create a level installation base for the landscape fabric. Lay the fabric rough side down in the bed, working in sections. Fabric can be fitted around existing plants, or you can cut an X into the fabric and pull it down over them. For new plantings, cut an X in the fabric in the desired area and proceed with planting as normal. Secure fabric every 3 feet with landscape fabric pegs or garden staples, and be sure to overlap fabric sections by 2 to 3 inches. Cover your bed with 1 to 2 inches of mulch, pine straw, pea gravel, or another garden bed cover depending on fabric type. Don't let the thought of weeds prevent you from getting the most out of gardening.